Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome to the bustling heart of Bangkok, Sukhumvit Road. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey, a walking tour through one of Bangkok's most busy districts, Sukhumvit. It's the ultimate place to experience the lively culture of this amazing city. So I will share with you guys the top reasons why staying in Sukhumvit, Bangkok is a fantastic idea. Sukhumvit is like Bangkok's central highway, and it's flanked by two major junctions, Siam and Sok. These are the beating hearts of the city's commercial and entertainment scenes. I can say that Sukhumvit Road is a busy place, especially during rush hours, Friday evenings, and when there are special events downtown. So if you're planning to visit here, be prepared for some congestion if you're out and about during these times. So guys, Sukhumvit Road is one of Bangkok's most iconic and bustling thoroughfares, stretching for over 400 kilometers. It is not just a road but an entire community of the city itself. So let's explore its bustling streets, transportation options, people, food culture, entertainment, and the unique experiences that draw travelers to this dynamic area. Sukhumvit is a busy road. It is renowned for its constant hustle and bustle. It's a major artery of Bangkok, teeming with traffic at all hours. The road runs through several neighborhoods, from the bustling heart of the city to the quieter suburbs, making it a symbol of the city's relentless energy. One of the key features of Sukhumvit Road is its accessibility. Travelers can navigate this urban jungle using various transportation options. So they have taxis, tuk-tuks, motorcycle taxis, and the iconic Bangkok SkyTrain, they call it BTS, which provides convenient mobility, ensuring you can explore the road of its surroundings with ease. As you walk along Sukhumvit Road, you'll encounter a diverse range of people. The BTS SkyTrain system with its Sukhumvit line is an integral part of life on Sukhumvit Road. It not only provides an efficient means of transportation, but also offers stunning views of the cityscape as it elevates above the traffic. It's a must-try mode of getting around the area. The main thing here is the BTS SkyTrain. It goes right through Sukhumvit, and that makes it super easy to move around without getting stuck in Bangkok's really busy traffic, especially during rush hours. There are plenty of places to eat and drink, and many people speak English, so you won't have trouble communicating. Another fantastic perk of staying in Sukhumvit is the excellent transportation. Locals, expatriates, and tourists from around the world mingle here. The area is a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds, offering a glimpse into the cosmopolitan nature of Bangkok. Now let's talk about shopping. Sukhumvit is a shopaholic's dream come true. You've got everything from fancy malls to lively street markets. Whether you're on the hunt for high-end fashion, local crafts, or budget-friendly souvenirs, Sukhumvit has it all. And the best part? Staying at one of the hotels Sukhumvit Bangkok means you're right in the heart of this. Food enthusiasts will find a culinary haven along Sukhumvit Road. The sidewalks are lined with street vendors selling everything from traditional Thai dishes to international cuisines. You can also find a wide array of restaurants, from budget-friendly eateries to high-end dining establishments, ensuring that every palate is catered to. Now, if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat in Sukhumvit. The dining scene here is incredibly diverse. You can savor authentic Thai street food or explore international cuisine. From Michelin-starred restaurants to hidden local gems, Sukhumvit caters to every palate. Choosing a hotel in Sukhumvit Bangkok places you smack in the middle of this culinary hotspot. Running right through the heart of Sukhumvit, it's a breeze to get around the city and reach major attractions. Staying at a hotel Sukhumvit Bangkok ensures you're well connected and can explore the city with ease. Sukhumvit Road is dotted with numerous soi streets, which are smaller lanes branching off the main road. Each soi is its own unique character, offering a wide range of experiences, from shopping and dining to nightlife and accommodation. Exploring these soi streets can lead to hidden gems and local treasures. Sukhumvit Road is a magnet for tourists from all around the world. The area's international atmosphere, a wide selection of hotels, and diverse entertainment options make it a favorite choice for a great Bangkok experience. The road is a popular place to stay for many travelers due to its central location. Excellent connectivity and abundance of entertainment and dining options. It provides easy access to both cultural attractions and vibrant nightlife scene. Sukhumvit's central location makes it a perfect base for exploring Bangkok's many attractions. From iconic temples to modern art galleries, Sukhumvit offers convenient access to the best of the city. So choose one of the hotels Sukhumvit Bangkok has to offer and enjoy the perfect starting point for your city adventures. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, marijuana was illegal in Thailand for recreational use. However, the laws may have evolved since then, so it's essential to check the current legal status if you're interested in this topic. When the sun goes down, Sukhumvit comes to life with its vibrant nightlife. You've got lively bars, clubs, and even sophisticated cocktail lounges. No matter what your taste or mood, there's a venue for you. By staying at one of the hotels Sukhumvit Bangkok offers, you can easily dive into the city's nightlife and soak up to its energetic ambience. Sukhumvit comes alive at night with a lot of entertainment venues. So it is famous for its nightlife scene, offering everything from rooftop bars with stunning city views to lively nightclubs. If you seek a moment of tranquility amid the urban chaos, I can recommend two beautiful parks just near Sukhumvit Road. It's Benjakiti Park and Lumpini Park, which offer lush garden spaces, jogging tracks, and serene lakes. They're perfect for a leisurely stroll or a workout, just a walk away from Sukhumvit Road. Now guys, you also have to mind the do's and don'ts while staying in this place or staying in Thailand. Do respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting temples and be polite to the locals. Don't engage in any illegal activities, including drug use. Do try street food, but make sure it's prepared in a clean and hygienic environment. Don't forget to haggle when shopping in street markets. Do you use public transportation to navigate the city efficiently? Don't engage in aggressive bargaining or argue with the vendors. To enjoy the vibrant nightlife, but drink responsibly and be aware of your surroundings. So I can say, guys, that Sukhumvit Road is an embodiment of the lively and diverse spirit of Bangkok. Whether you're a foodie, a shopper, a culture enthusiast, or a party goer, there's something for everyone on this iconic road. So if you're planning a visit to Bangkok, make sure to explore Sukhumvit Road and experience the vibrant tapestry of this dynamic city. And there you have it, folks. Sukhumvit is a dynamic and diverse district in Bangkok that promises an unforgettable experience for all travelers. So when you're planning your next trip to this fantastic city, consider staying in Sukhumvit for a truly immersive and exciting adventure. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour, our walking tour, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel tips and insights. Have a great day, folks.